Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this 1970 MGB GT, finished in, I think is Old English white, it might be Snowberry, but as you can see it's this slightly off-white colour. Quite unusual for a GT these days. Most of the ones we see are red or green, but certainly does suit the car, particularly when it's sat on these really attractive chrome white wheels. As you can see, bodywork is in outstanding condition. I've been all over the car and I can't find any issues at all. It's a really bright, clean example. All the panel fits are good. Doors open and close nicely. Retained some of the earlier features, including the rounded rear lights and the full MGB GT script on the back. Nice number plate too. You can see the chrome is all good, including the quarter lights. Car drove really nicely on test. It's got overdrive as well, which is quite a bonus on these cars. Let's have a look at the interior. Retaining the earlier style seats, the black piped in white. Slightly later features with the later BL style. Door handles. Dashboard's all clean and tidy. It's a later stereo fitted. Nice period sports wheel there. Boot area is well, near immaculate. Really good carpeting throughout. Just have a look under the bonnet as well. All clean and tidy under here. Pair of aftermarket air filters there. Overall presents very well. I'll just start the car up for you as well, just so that you can hear it running. Idles quite nicely. That characteristic MGB thrum from the exhaust, which looks like it's a stainless one. Car is pretty well warmed up. You can see the oil pressure is excellent. So there we are. Quite a rare car these days. Very practical. Big enough to get your golf clubs in the back. So lovely car. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage. And thanks for watching.